We walked into the factory and there were thousands of American flags, and there were hundreds of people individually working on each part of the flag.
Welcome to our Flags USA channel. We are a small women-owned business that sells 100% American-made flags. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with our videos containing tips, tutorials, and fun facts.
So the flags we supply here at Flags USA are 100% made in the USA by some of the biggest and oldest manufacturers in the country. Some of those manufacturers are located in Wisconsin, in New Jersey, and in North Carolina, just to name a few. I had the opportunity to go on a tour of one of our factories in North Carolina, and what I saw absolutely took my breath away. We walked into the factory and there were thousands of American flags all over the warehouse, and there were hundreds of people individually working on each part of the flag. I was struck by the fact that all of the American flags that this factory produces, they're all touched by hundreds of people. They're not spit out by a machine. I mean, they're hand sewn by people of all races, of all genders, of all ages. It almost brought a tear to my eye because the American flag, which I believe stands for all of us, and the American flag is for everyone, these flags were literally being produced by everyone. I feel so passionate about selling 100% made in the US flags because these flags are literally supporting communities of people that society may have given up on, communities of people that really are looking for a second chance at life, communities of people that have come to this country seeking a better life. These people are actually able to make a living and support their families and support their communities because of people like us who refuse to sell anything but 100% made in the US flags.
Thank you for supporting our small women-owned business, where we believe in the American dream of freedom, community, and family.